Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on 2D shapes and polygons. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at these now. So before we start with the lesson, I just wanted to go over some vocabulary words with you here. And these words are edges, which as you can see here are just the lines joining two vertices on a 2D shape, or two faces on a 3D shape. We're going to focus on 2D today. And angle, which is the amount of turn between where two lines meet. Another list of vocabulary words we have are polygon, which is a flat 2D shape with 3 or more straight sides, and parallel, which are lines that are always the same distance apart and never meet. We also have vertices here, which I like to call the corners here, because you can see it's basically just the corners of where the two sides meet here. And then the right angle, which is an angle that is 90 degrees here. So I've got these 2D shapes here, and I've got a statement above that says, in a regular polygon, all edges and angles are equal. Name each shape shown here. So I'm just going to label the shapes here from letters A to J here. So the first one, letter A, is a triangle. Letter B is a semicircle. Letter C is a right triangle. Letter D is a square. Letter E, a hexagon. Letter F is what we would call an irregular hexagon. G is a pentagon. H is a circle. I is what in math terms we would call rhombus. And letter J is called a parallelogram. So here's the bonus activity. And what I want to have you do here for this part is just name each 2D shape. Now we already did that earlier, so if you want to go back in the video and look, that's not a problem. And just write the names, please. So that's what today's video was all about, was 2D shapes and polygons. And as always, I appreciate you spending part of your day with me, and I hope you found this video beneficial. And as always, I look forward to seeing you for my next video.